Okay, so this is my unfiltered review of Monkey CI. So monkeyci.com. So first thing, I don't know if I have an account. Let's try GitHub. Okay, so here it says bigconfig looks like you have not configured any repository yet. I have created this some time ago, so I don't know what is it exactly because bigconfig is my project. Here I see the user icon. Okay, so looks like you have not configured the repository yet. So I guess first thing is, why do I need to configure a repository? I would love to here create a no monkey ci dot closure and be able to use it. Just thinking out loud. The fact that I need to create a repository. Anyway, you can watch repository button. We'll find one for you. A repository points to remote git that it contains monkey ci script. Okay, getting started. Okay, so I copy this. And where do I put it? In dot monkeyci build dot closure. So dot monkeyci build dot closure. Didn't copy. What's going on? Copy. Okay. So the copy is not working. What's going on? Yeah, it's flickering here. So okay, I will copy it manually. Action job. Okay, so here it uses the old syntax, but it will give you warning because this. I mean, there are people that they prefer the use because, but actually the new syntax I think um, is not refactoring. Require. I don't remember. Prefer I think action job. Okay, now this will work, but how can I see the source code? Okay, so here I don't see the documentation, and I think Emacs LSP cannot find it because it doesn't know where is monkeyci.api. So if I just create this, okay, it takes a function and then I print. Okay, commit and push. So this is the thing. Why do I need to make a commit and push to test the continuous integration? Okay, let's try. So I go to GitHub, I create a new repo. I call it monkey CI. I create the repo. I am the owner. Then I copy this and I go to here. Um, git init magit remote add origin this yes, and here I guess I stage this okay, so here the weird thing with Emacs, so I delete this, I guess. I can do a git ignore whatever. So ignore everything that is with a star and then make an exception for monkey CI. I guess this is the git stage. Okay, and then before I push, I guess I need to go here. Or wash? Do I have an idea? What should I click? I try to click. Configure after seeing will show up if a webhook is configured. Any push? Okay, I don't want to configure the webhook. So here I write monkey CI and it's not there. Okay, so I try to log out, log in again, watch repository. Okay, why is not? GitHub app needs to be configured in your organization. Install. If I need to install it again. Oh man, even this. Wow, so many steps. GitHub 65 approve. Let's see if now this is the new repository, but okay, there is no save. But it's not working. Sign up is login, I guess. Yeah, monkey CI is not there. Let's try to commit. Okay. Let's try again. Login. Monkey. GitHub. Monkey CI is here, but it doesn't work. Okay, let's try Okay, so this is the organization. Watch repository, nothing. Add repository. Yeah. Okay, so I watched, but then why I'm still here? So I don't know where I am right now. Okay, so there is a repository, trigger, trigger. Okay, and then what? I should refresh. Okay, so looks I am. I don't remember how does the payment work. I don't think I put. So here there is the alignment that is not working, and capacity is being provisioned. It's taking too long just to do the hello world. I was expecting something faster. I don't know if it is a problem or if it is. Anyway, just to give you an example on how I work. So if I go to GitHub, then I have app. So this is a Docker container, and the action is 19 seconds to run the test, and if the closure code is passing the test, then is build and push 26 seconds. So I can run the workflow. This is running on my virtual private server that has Nix. Because it has Nix, Nix is caching everything, so it's gonna be very fast. So it does run dev shell closure test, and is provisioning the environment in 22 milliseconds. So now in 22 milliseconds, I have closure, Babashka, everything. And then I run the test, and the test probably they take a little longer than 22 milliseconds. So that's what you can do with a self-hosted runner. You can have the environment built in Nix in milliseconds. Not seconds, milliseconds. After I do this, then this is a normal GitHub action to push a container. And this is also caching because Docker is going to cache everything. So actually it's going to be 21 seconds for the test and 28 seconds to build and push the container. So that I can go, okay, where I can go. Packages, this is the new image. So it's been pushed 1 minute ago. And then there is the virtual private server that is using another bconfig package, so it's going to upgrade automatically the application in production. So let's see if, okay, the test is passed, and it doesn't say how long it took. Uh, it would be useful to see how long it took. Mm, what was the code? It was just a println. I don't know because I think we need to decompose the product. So there is the runtime where I really believe self-hosted is the way to go because you skip the complexity of caching and provisioning. There is Nix. Nix, it's impossible to beat Nix. So if you want to improve the CI user experience, you just say use Nix. Whatever CI you use is going to be better than using YAML file to provision your machine. So Nix job is done. Then the question is, how do I express the workflow? Well, of course, I agree in using Clojure. But then it becomes a library. Then it becomes a library. So we split the library from the runtime. And so the orchestration is one capability. Then there is the machine. I think the future is self-hosted runners. I will bet on that. And then it should become a library that you can use in both GitHub Action or Circle CI or your own. I would split the product in different sub-products, to be honest. Good. So this is my recording session. I hope it was useful. And if you have questions, I can record another video. And let's continue in Slack. Bye bye.